Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to play with the Alter Ego Goddess palette. That is the dupe for the Natasha Denona gold palette. I got this when I got the Artemis palette, so I'm going to play with it a little bit today and see what look we can come up with. And I grabbed some stuff that I haven't used in a while that I'm going to try out and see my feelings about them again. You know, if I like them, if I don't like them. I found some stuff that I like better, just what I think about them. So if you like to see all that, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses, put on a little bit of Milani eye primer. Alright, I'm going to take Athena right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Alright, I'm going to take Gaia right there, and I'm going to put that in the outside corner of my eye. I'm going to take the shade Artemis, and I'm going to put that on the middle of my eye. Now I'm taking Cassandra down here, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. I'm going to take a cotton round, some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up any of the fallout and my lines. I'm going to take the Hard Candy Smoothing Primer Balm. And I'm going to put that on the middle of my face, my T-zone mainly. Alright, I'm taking the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, and I am in shade 10 Light Beige. And I'm going to put that on my hand, on the back of my hand, and then dot it on my face. I'm going to blend that in with my BK Beauty brush, my 101 brush. Alright, I'm going to use the Milani Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer, and I'm in 01 Fair. I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush. I'm going to put the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in translucent, I think. Yeah, translucent. I'm going to put that on my under eyes. Alright, I'm taking the Lovecraft Beauty Bronze Palette, and I'm going to take some bling right here, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks and everywhere to warm up my face. Going under the chin, then down the neck. I'm taking the Lovecraft Beauty Blush Palette. I'm going to take a Thilda right here, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Taking the Soph X highlighting palette, I'm going to take these two at the end right here, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. I'm going over my brows, other brow, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. I'm going to take Gaia again, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. It's a very pigmented shade. And I'm putting that same Cassandra gold shade, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. I'm going to take Rum Raisin, this one, and I'm going to put that on my lips. Alright, well, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I think it turned out really good. I wasn't sure there for a second when I started working with the blue, but I think it turned out pretty good. And looks real cute. As for the palette, I think it worked really great. I think Alter Ego has really great formula. I was super impressed with everything that I used, and then the Artemis palette as well. I'm excited to try some more stuff from them and keep trying these palettes out. And all the other products, they're products that I enjoy, so I still like them. The concealer, actually the last time I used it I didn't like it, and this time I think that it looks alright. I don't have any problem with it at all, so yeah, so that actually won me over a little bit, so that's good. But the two Lovecraft Beauty, I thought they were pigmented, really pretty, and the Soph X also beautiful. So and the primer and lipstick, the primer I think did a great job. I really like this. This is supposedly a dupe for the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I don't know, but it's been said to be. But I really enjoy it. I think even though it's like one of the smoothing primers, I feel like it hydrates my skin as well. And the lipstick, I really like this formula. It's really comfortable on the lips. So, and the Rimmel Stay Matte is a staple no matter what. So this is a great product. I guess that's going to be all for me. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I think that's going to be all. I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.